there's one final thing that I'd like to show. Also a bit of a sneak peek that's exclusive to this webinar. So let's just navigate back to the Yoco app, back to the Manage tab, and you'll see this tile called Locations down below. So Locations is also an exciting new feature that we are busy working on and also close to releasing. So Locations is really something that's catered for your growing business. So you're no longer just operating out of your, out of one location. You now have multiples, so you're growing, you're expanding, and you really now need to start tracking how these different locations are doing. So Locations allow you to set up these locations. So you'll see in this case, I've set up 3 different locations. I've fast forwarded 10 years into the future, and I've expanded Dean's Bar into a few different areas. And now I want to start tracking sales at them and also tracking stock separately at them, which is the other key component. So the setup process is really, really easy. You just click Add Location. In this case, let's call it Milnerton. We like to track stock separately, and we'll hit Save. Now, on your different, whether you're using Counter or if you're using Kuma or Kuma Print card machines at these locations, you'll need to go onto that specific counter. So in this case, I'm moving this particular instance to the new branch in Milnerton. I'll navigate to More, select Location, and I'll change it to Milnerton and say Set Location. Then you'll see Milnerton now shows up in the top bar next to my business name. And now any transactions that are done, any sales that I make, will be listed as having been done at Milnerton. It will also deplete from the Milnerton stock. So again, just a really nice way to flex your business and to make sure that you can track things at a granular level. Great, and that brings us to the end of the demo. I'm sure there's a lot we weren't able to cover, but hoping we can cover some of it in the Q&A and also through the material that we'll send after this webinar. Great, Indy, over to you.
Thanks, Dean. I'm going to start sharing again. All right. Okay. One last section before we get into the Q&A.